Good morning, students. Welcome to online platform of Shri Academy. Today we are going to do the question answers of the chapter 3 at table. So let's continue with the chapter. So comprehension section, A, tick the correct option. So here it is given. The first question: when the narrator pointed at the house, the countryman shuddered because it was cold at night. Option B, he thought he saw a ghost. Option C, he feared that they were lost. Option D, he was nervous and frightened. So option D is the correct answer. He was nervous and frightened. Question number 2. The old man told the narrator that they would be dining in the dark because his son had bad eyes and could not see in the light. His son had bad eyes and could not tolerate the light. His son was shy. The fire had exhausted and there were no candles. So his option B is the correct answer. His son has bad eyes and could not tolerate the light. So you will have to pick the option B. Question number 3. The old man invited the narrator into the house because he and his family wanted company, wanted to provide shelter to the narrator, did not want his son to be alone on his birthday. Both A and B are correct answers. So here option D is the correct answer. Both A and B are the correct answers. The old man's son's face had become disfigured. Option A, in the burning of house. Option B, when he saved children because of an eye infection. Option D, both A and B are correct. So here option D, both A and B are correct. So now coming to the next question. Read the sentences and answer the question. All of you see into the book. Here it is B, comprehension, under comprehension section B question. Read the sentences and answer the question. The first extract is given. Was evident from the behavior of my invisible companions that they were not used to dining under such circumstances as I was. So here, who were the companions? The host himself and his son were the companions of George. Okay, now come B. What circumstances did the speaker refers to? The speaker was used to dine in light, but his companion told that his son had bad eyes and cannot dine in light, so they dine in darkness. C. Question number C. Why was the speaker used to dine under such circumstances? So, because he belonged to normal life and the people dine in the presence of light. Extract 2. To the health of children my boy saved. So now question number A. Who said these words? The old man said these words. What did the boy save children from? The boy saved children from fire. How did the incident affect the family? In the incident, his boy's face was badly burned and he has lost his beautiful face. Question number C. Answer these questions. How did the narrator get lost? Why did he go to the house despite the countryman's warning? When narrator decided to turning back, he turned up at a lane at right angles to the road he was passing to find his way back by another route, but that had several turnings of its own and soon he was lost. He went to the house despite the countryman's warning because he was tired as he walked long distance. So here I have written the third question. So after third question you will get the second question. So why did the narrator host eat dinner in the dark every day? Why did they do so that day? Narrator host eat dinner in the dark because his son's face got burned in fire and that disfigured his face. So they used to dine in dark. They did so because they knew that narrator will be afraid after seeing the face of host's son. Question number 2. Why did narrator hesitate to enter the house? Narrator hesitated to enter the house because it was dark inside the house and his companion already warned him about the house. Question number 4. How did the narrator discover what the old man's son looked like? What explanation did the old man provide? Narrator discovered that the boy was thin and bony with weird face, only one eye. Here I have missed the answer for the second part. What explanation did the old man provide? Old man said that his, now you have to write by your poem that old man said that his son's face disfigured in fire while saving child. Okay, now coming to the fifth question, why did the family not have company often? The family not have company often because of his son's weird face. People were scared of his son. So, thanking you. Today we have completed the comprehension section of the chapter 3 at table. In the next video, we will do the poem Scratching the Tiger's Back.